Ganpati Bappa Moria! Today I am going to share a very special Modak recipe that can be prepared in the 10 minutes, and this is very easy, and I can say that your kids will love it. And this is inspired from Ranveer Brar's recipe, and you can prepare for the bhog as during your Ganpati festival. So let's start with the ingredients. For basic, we need 3 ingredients here. First, we need digestive biscuits. You can use any kind of digestive biscuits. Here I'm using a wheat biscuits, or you can use any like Parle-G or Marigold or any kind. Then I will use sweetened condensed milk and some desiccated coconut powder. So this will be your basic ingredients for the dough, and then you can play around and make your own combination. So I'm going to make 3 different kind. So let's start with the recipe. So first I will grind this digestive biscuits in a mixture. Make sure you make a very fine paste, fine mixture. So we don't want a coarse, it's fine. So I am taking 1.5 cup of grinded mixture, that biscuit mixture, and the same amount of the desiccated coconut. So I am taking here 1.5 cup of desiccated coconut here, 1.5 cup, and give it a good mix. So this is our base, and I will make like a 3-part out of it as I'm preparing 3 different flavor. So I'm preparing one Kesar Pista, that is very all-time favorite. Another is chocolate Modak, that is my kids favorite, and the one very last refreshing, that Paan flavor. So first I'm starting with the Kesar Pista. So into the mix I have added a pinch of elaichi powder, that is cardamom powder. I felt that mixture was little too coarse, so I have grind it in a mixture and make it like a fine powder. So on the side I have taken a 1 teaspoon of lukewarm milk, and I will add a little bit of saffron stems and just give it a mix. So this will be our base for Kesar Pista Modak. You can add here a yellow or orange color for the giving a Kesar look, but I'm not adding any artificial color here. So just give it a mix with the milk, and here I'm adding around 2 teaspoon of condensed milk, or you can add as per your preference, but this 2 teaspoon will be like more than enough. Now give it a good mix, and it will coming together and it will form like a dough. That's how we want. If you feel it's too sticky, then you can definitely add some more biscuit powder or coconut powder, but this looks good here. So here we have prepared one flavor dough, and for the stuffing here I am taking mixed nuts, that is almond, cashew and pistachio, and I will add a very half teaspoon or probably 1/4 teaspoon of ghee and give it a mix. So ghee will help to give a binding to the mixture. Now the stuffing is ready. Now we will move to the next flavor, that is chocolate. So I have taken same amount of the base, that coconut and biscuit mixture, and I have added around a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and into that I will add 2 teaspoon of condensed milk. Now give it a good mix. Now you can see it has formed like a dough. So this looks good. I will keep it aside. For the stuffing, you can use any stuffing like either white chocolate or tutti frutti or almonds, but I am using a mixed nut that I'm going to use with the Kesar Pista, as the nuts always go well with the chocolate. So that's what I'm using. So now we will keep aside the stuffing as well. Now on the last third flavor, I am preparing with the Paan leaves. So that Paan leaves we will use it later. So for first I will prepare the stuffing. Into the bowl I am taking like 8 to 10 petals, rose petals, and around 2 teaspoons of Sauf, that is variadi, fennel seeds, and now I will coarsely grind them in a mixture and just keep it in a bowl. Into that I will add around 1 teaspoon of Gulkand. So Gulkand will give a sweetness as well as the binding to the stuffing. So now give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now first take off the stem part from the leaves. Just make sure there is no stem part. And now in the mixture I have taken like 4 leaves. In the mixture I will grind it with the condensed milk and just mix it with the dough, I mean the powder mix, and it will come together as a dough. I feel little sticky, so here I am adding around a teaspoon of coconut powder, desiccated coconut powder, so that way it will be not too sticky, otherwise it won't give a good shape of modak. So make sure it's not too soft dough like a sticky. We need a soft but not a sticky. So now into the modak mold, here I am first preparing the Kesar Pista modak. So just make sure you fill the filling, the dough in a modak. Just press it properly so there is no empty space. And now into this middle part I will add the stuffing. Now take off the extra from the sides, and now here is our modak. You can see how beautiful this color it is and how shiny it is. This looks perfect. The same way I will prepare them all. Just pat the sides with the gentle hand so you don't see like this pointy sides. Now you can see how beautiful this is. The same way I will prepare the chocolate one, but I felt the dough has become little too dry, so I have added around 2 teaspoons of milk. Here I tried the different method for the stuffing. Just put your pinky finger, clean pinky finger, in a mold and just make a little hole and put the stuffing in it. Cover the bottom with the dough and just make sure everything is tight and sealed, and just take off the extra sides. Now time to see. Yes, after opening I just clean the sides so that way we get the perfect modak. Now you can see how beautiful this looks, and this is homemade, so it's better than the store-bought, and it's a very different flavor. Same way I have prepared the chocolate one. And now the last one, that pan. Same way I will fill up the mold with the dough. Just make sure you press it very hard so there is no empty space. And same way I will put the stuffing. Just make a little small bowl and put it in the center and press it gently. I feel it's a little extra, so I take it off, and now just press it and just take clean all the sides and seal the bottom. Now you can see how beautiful it is. Just clean the sides, and you can see because of the pan leaves it gets a very good vibrant green color, and you can see how beautiful it looks. The same way I have prepared them all, and you can have the Kesar Pista, pan and chocolate, and do let me know which one is your favorite one, and do try my recipe and let me know in the comment box how it turned out for you. And thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.